Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix no internet secured Windows 11 Wi-Fi. From the taskbar, click on the network icon to see the error of no internet secured. After this, in the search box, enter View. Open View Network Connections. Right-click on the wireless network and select Properties. Here you will go to the line Internet Protocol version 4. You must activate its box. When you do, click on Properties. Confirm or establish that the IP addresses are assigned automatically. Apply these changes. Now you can see that the network is already recognized. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.